Hi, welcome to video. In this video we are going to show Maytag Dryer Troubleshooting. If your Maytag dryer is experiencing problems, troubleshoot by checking the power supply, door switch, and thermal fuse. Maytag dryers may not start if the power cord is not properly connected or if the circuit breaker is tripped. Additionally, a faulty door switch can prevent the dryer from running, so ensure it is functioning correctly. Another common issue is a blown thermal fuse, which can be tested for continuity using a multimeter. If any of these components are faulty, they may need to be repaired or replaced to resolve the issue. Common issues and quick fixes. Maytag dryers can sometimes experience issues that hinder their performance. One common problem is clothes not drying completely. This can be caused by a clogged lint filter or vent, so it's important to clean them regularly. Another issue is when the dryer doesn't start at all. In such cases, check if the power cord is properly plugged in and if the circuit breaker hasn't tripped. Excessive noise during operation can also occur, usually due to worn-out drum support rollers or damaged belts. To fix this, replace the faulty parts or seek professional help. By troubleshooting these common problems, you can ensure that your Maytag dryer operates efficiently and effectively. Solutions for clothes not drying completely. One common issue with Maytag dryers is clothes not drying completely. To troubleshoot this problem, start by checking the lint filter. It may be clogged, affecting the dryer's performance. Another factor to consider is proper ventilation. Ensure that the dryer is not placed in an enclosed area, as it requires adequate airflow to function efficiently. Adjusting the drying settings for different fabric types can also help improve drying results. Delicate items may need a lower temperature and shorter drying time, while heavier fabrics may require higher temperatures. By following these steps, you can address the problem of clothes not drying completely with your Maytag dryer. Troubleshooting tips for a dryer that won't start. A dryer that won't start can be frustrating, but there are troubleshooting tips that can help. First, verify the power supply and connections are secure. Test the door switch to ensure it is functioning properly. Additionally, check the thermal fuse for any signs of damage or malfunction. You should also examine the control board for any potential issues. Sometimes, a simple loose connection or a faulty component can be the cause of the problem. By following these troubleshooting steps, you can potentially resolve the issue and get your Maytag dryer up and running again without the need for a professional repair. Remember to always prioritize safety when working with electrical appliances. Resolving excessive noise during dryer operation. Excessive noise during dryer operation can be resolved by inspecting and replacing worn-out drum rollers, lubricating the idler pulley and motor bearings, and cleaning the blower wheel and housing. To tackle the noise issue, start by examining the drum rollers for signs of wear and tear. If they appear worn, it's time to replace them with new ones. Additionally, ensure the idler pulley and motor bearings are properly lubricated to minimize friction and noise. Lastly, clean the blower wheel and housing as debris or lint buildup can cause noise during operation. By following these troubleshooting steps, you can enjoy a quieter and more efficient dryer. It's important to properly maintain your dryer to avoid any potential issues down the line. Advanced troubleshooting techniques. Troubleshooting a Maytag dryer can be a daunting task, but with advanced techniques, you can quickly identify and address common issues. Begin by testing the heating element and thermostat, ensuring they are functioning correctly. Next, evaluate the electronic control board to pinpoint any potential malfunctions. Finally, assess the motor and drive system to determine if there are any mechanical problems. By following these steps, you can effectively troubleshoot your Maytag dryer and resolve any issues that may arise. It is important to stay vigilant and proactive in maintaining the efficiency and functionality of your dryer. Regular troubleshooting will ensure that your dryer continues to operate at its best, providing you with reliable and convenient drying capabilities. So, don't hesitate to utilize these advanced techniques to ensure optimal performance from your Maytag dryer. Professional assistance and when to call a technician. When troubleshooting a Maytag dryer, it is important to know when to seek professional assistance. Recognizing complex issues that go beyond simple fixes is crucial. Additionally, understanding the warranty coverage and service options available can help you make an informed decision. If you are unsure about tackling the problem yourself, it is best to call a technician who specializes in Maytag dryer repair. Finding reliable repair services in your area is key to ensuring your dryer is back up and running efficiently. By relying on a professional, you can save yourself time, effort, and potential damage by avoiding DIY efforts that may cause more harm than good. Keep in mind that a trained technician will have the necessary expertise to diagnose and resolve any concerns with your Maytag dryer effectively and efficiently. Frequently asked questions of Maytag dryer troubleshooting. What is the most common problem with the Maytag dryer? The most common problem with Maytag dryers is a faulty heating element, causing no heat or insufficient drying. Where is the reset button on a Maytag dryer? The reset button on a Maytag dryer is usually located on the control panel. Is there a reset switch on a Maytag dryer? No, Maytag dryers do not have a reset switch. Why does my Maytag dryer start and stop? A Maytag dryer may start and stop due to potential issues with the timer or motor. It's recommended to check these parts for any faults. Conclusion: when faced with troubleshooting issues with your Maytag dryer, it's important to follow the right steps to identify and resolve the problem. By understanding common problems and their solutions, you can save time and money on repairs. Start by checking for simple issues, such as a tripped breaker or a clogged lint filter. If these don't solve the problem, dive deeper into the dryer's components, including the thermal fuse, heating element, or motor. Remember to consult the Maytag dryer manual for specific instructions and safety precautions. If all else fails, don't hesitate to reach out to a professional for assistance. Taking the time to troubleshoot your Maytag dryer can extend its lifespan and ensure it continues to operate at peak performance. Keep these tips in mind when faced with dryer issues, and you'll be on your way to smooth drying cycles in no time. Thanks for watching.